So hello everyone, again this is Ricky, and now allow me to share this status report by class, this one. So as you notice on your screen, the class is not sorted, right? So let's go and click this status report by class. So the information below is displayed. So please wait, printing in progress. So it's done, and this is the report. Status report by class, this one. So I hope you enjoy watching my video and you learn something new. Thank you everyone.